Hey guys, go and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up my video. I just did my Ipsy review. Now I'm about to do my Birchbox. It came in the mail today. Okay, so I hate that. Let me say this. Okay, I got it like this because the box that it comes in, it fits in my mailbox only one way, the way that they put my mail in. But it doesn't, like, the box doesn't come out on my end. So I just take the box out, my product out, and leave the box in there because they should know that I can't get that damn box out. And I'm not gonna struggle. Like, no. Let's see what Birchbox gave me. Okay, they always come with these cards, of course. It gives you the pricing, and the names of all 5 or 6 items that they give you. And I got 6 items on here. So, let's see, $10 off after month. Don't forget to take a moment for yourself. That's when we give $10 off, $50 shop purchase. Oh, okay, they give you $10 off. They just might be a little better than Ipsy this month because for starters, I got 6 products. Okay, let's start with this. I got an eyelash curler. What the hell? And I like it. So, this would be $13. Birchbox, I'm loving you guys. And then I got some leave-in cream. I need to tell them that I wear my hair pretty much the same, like this, unless I'm gonna wear a bun. I don't care for hair products, but thank you. Then they gave me face primer. I like this. Oh damn, where's that damn card? Oh, sorry, that darn card. Okay, and this primer, it's originally full size, is $35. I'm gonna use that. And then they gave me tiny size. Some brightening some. Okay. And then they gave me a sample of some perfume. I can actually smell it. You can actually smell it. And it smells good. I like that. Oh, and then, okay, this is so cute. I'm not gonna open it. Some mascara. MAC mascara. I've never used MAC mascara. This will probably be the only time if I don't get free mascara from MAC that I will ever have MAC mascara, because I know so many brands that's good quality, and like the one I got on now. Well, like I said in my Ipsy video, I no longer, ever since I started getting Ipsy and Birchbox, I no longer even purchase mascaras. So, because I get them free now. Well, not free, but. Okay, well, that is my review on Birchbox. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the thumbs up and leave comments if you like. Bye.